Hi and welcome to Let's Go Tarot and Beyond. It is so lovely to have you here. This is a reading for Libra to look at your person's feelings and intentions towards you. Now let's see what comes out. Okay. So someone feels like they have gained important knowledge, really learned something new and got a higher perspective on something. I don't know yet if it's you or your person, but but this person is really feeling grounded and feeling like, yeah, this feeling of feeling whole. They have a feeling of coming home, like something, they have been able to let go of something. Okay. So something was given to this person. Well, I feel like this is you, and I feel like this is your person. Yeah, they gave you your wisdom came through your person. So something they said or something they did really affected you. So they helped you see something in a completely new light. And it's like it's your person's nature to be giving in that way. They have this kind of openness and innocence, where they say things just the way they are. And sometimes you can be like, what? And sometimes it's just like, oh wow, I didn't see it that way. So your person has really their own perspective on so many things, and that is very inspiring for you. Yeah, again, I feel like this is your person's energy here with the Fool card. This card talks about what they gave you or said to you. This talks about their perspective. Like, why don't you just let go of this? And why are you holding on to that? It's in that sense. And for you, maybe sometimes it's like, why are you saying that? And it just doesn't resonate. But this time it really resonated. It is like, whoa, that was inspiring. Yeah. So they're kind of, in many ways, they are very carefree. Whereas you are, well, more grounded in a way. You are more, maybe you are more traditional in many ways. Yeah, let's see. Another card. The High Priestess. Yeah. It's like your person is yeah, it's like they get inspired from within. They don't look around in the world to be inspired, but they are, yeah, it's from within that they are inspired, from their own completely unique ideas. And yeah, it's like they really to them it really doesn't matter that much if you are inspired or not. Well, okay, yeah, of course they love to see that they can help you, but still that wouldn't stop them from following their own inspiration and saying how things are and how they view things. So they want to inspire you, and no matter what. Yeah. So, and you're the kind of person who does want to learn. So they do feel like that their nature gives meaning to you, and that is beautiful. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. It's like this energy is about a concrete idea or project. And one of you is feeling that it's it's going slow. There's not much energy in it right now. So one of you is feeling a bit depleted. And I am really not sure if it's you or it is your person. It's like it's this is concerning an issue in your relationship that needs work. And you both feel right now that it's difficult. But it's also where growth is for you. Yeah, okay, so it's like, yeah, you need to inspire each other in this area. I feel like to put energy into this area. So it's like, okay, now one of you is wants to put energy into it, and then next time the other one can put energy into it. It's like it's really important that you work together on this, whatever it is. It's about your growth. So I feel like it's not necessarily something in the physical. Yeah. Let me take one more card. Queen of Cups. Yeah. So this this thing about your growth and something that's between you, it's about creating emotional stability. It's about creating a space where you can express yourself to each other without being hurt and being triggered by each other. It's about learning to be open and receptive. And I feel like it's about you have to try things out, try something new, and see what happens. Yeah, and I feel like it would be great for both of you, and you both want to, but it's just difficult now because it's a new area for you. Okay, I will leave the reading here. If this reading resonated, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.